Tonight we're staying in a wood cabin. We've been passing so many along the way here, both in Jasper and Banff, and they look so cute. We've been looking forward to it for a while.
It's wood stove too.
Yeah, it's got a wood stove. We'll just show you.
I got the key for the lodge. We're staying at 15, which is just past the lodge here and down that road. Right there, yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
Where does Daniel park?
Oh my gosh. It's so nice.
That's pretty adorable, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. It smells good.
I wanna go there someday. I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay, waking up to another day.
This is probably the nicest place I've ever stayed in. It's so pretty. We turned off the heater, so it'll finally get cold in here so that we can use the wood stove. This place was built by the Canadian Pacific Railway in 1922, and then in 2003, the owners of these cabins and lodge bought this place and restored it. But because they're so secluded out here, everything is completely pretty much self-sufficient. They generate their own power, they pump their own well water, and they have to deal with their own wastewater. So there's a lot of things that you would expect at a hotel that aren't here. There's no hair dryers, there's no alarm clocks, there's no televisions or Wi-Fi, there's no coffee machines. It's really a perfect cabin experience.
They've got some pictures of when this place was built, I'm assuming, or close to when it was built. All the trees were gone, and you can see, I'm assuming that's Storm Mountain in the back. It's really cool. All the trees are back now. That's 19... Oh, here it says 1925. That's a long time ago. So Star just went to the gift shop and got this awesome candle. Made in Canada. It's so cute. It's balsam, fir, and citrus, and like, seriously, this smells so good. It smells like balsam and apple cider. And speaking of apple cider, more apple cider. Apple cider. Apple cider is so good. Pretty cool.
Myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can change. I know we walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay.
How's that?
That is so good. Oh my gosh. It's like cream cheese filling.
It's all vegan.
It's all vegan. This is so good. Wow.
Time to dig into mine.
Yeah.
Ooh. So it's mushrooms, beets. Is that avocado?
I think so.
Looks like it.
Probably.
Oh, that's very good. Oh yeah. How do you do this? I've never actually done this.
It's just like in a fire pit.
Okay. This is weird. Lighting a fire inside of a house? Like, man. Guess this is how they used to do it, eh?
How
This just
pampered have
doesn't-
you been?
This just doesn't feel right.
A lot of people in where we live have wood stoves.
Oh yeah, that's true. But they don't have nice ones like this. Burn newspaper. Should be interesting winter camping this year. I'll become a professional at lighting a wood stove fire.
I know.
This night will be okay. Waking up to another day.
We got this really delicious blueberry rooibos tea. We also had a coconut yogurt parfait, but we devoured that before we...
Oh man, I forgot to pick up the camera before I devoured it. It had a peach compote.
It was so good.
Homemade granola.
I'd come here just for the restaurant.
Oh yeah. Our time has come to leave these beautiful cabins. I'm gonna shed a tear.